Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Guessar Inc. is a leading customized robotics manufacturer specializing in unmanned systems for civilian, tactical, and industrial applications. If you need an unmanned system, be sure to reach out via the link in the description and comment section. News outlet NBC News reports that drone video captured the moment police fatally shot a California man after he pointed a gun at an officer, a weapon that turned out to be a real-looking BB gun, authorities said. NBC reports that Gerardo Martinez, 19, was fatally shot by Salinas police officer Mario Reyes. News outlet Monterey County Outlet reports the drone used to capture the entire event was a Salinas police drone. This outage and more information about the Friday night police shooting that led to Martinez's death were released after 5 p.m. Monday, July 19th by the Monterey County District Attorney's Office. The Monterey County outlet alleges that Martinez didn't understand commands being issued to him in Spanish. He spoke Zapotec, an indigenous language most prominently associated with the state of Oaxaca, Mexico. The Monterey County outlet reports that the Weekly has sent a Public Records Act request to the city of Salinas asking for the body-worn camera footage from the incident, as well as the names of the officers involved in the shooting. Also, this outlet reports nobody was available after the press release was sent to answer questions about the possible language barrier or if police had called a Zapotec interpreter to the scene. Thanks for tuning in. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Reach out for an unmanned systems via the link in description and comment section. Until next time.